everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I will be sharing with you how you can style a white kurti in various ways. So some of these looks are something that you can carry daily, like for your workplace, for your college, and some of these are heavy looks which you can carry at wedding functions. So you just need a white kurti and few other pieces, and we can mix and match and then can create various looks from this white kurti. So in today's video I will be covering this only. If you're interested, please keep watching and also subscribe to my channel. Now without any further delay, let's get started. I will be wearing this chikankari A-line white kurti, which is a cotton kurti with overall embroidery. I got this from Seva shop at Shankar Market, Connaught Place in Delhi. You can wear any white kurti for these looks. Now let's begin with the looks. Look number 1 is a denim on denim look. I am sure everyone has a denim jacket and jeans in their wardrobe. I have paired a dark colored jacket with a light colored jeans. I am wearing white sneakers to give this a casual look. I have added a pop of color in this whole look by adding these red beads earrings and a red sling bag. Look number 2 is my absolute favorite. This is a really colorful look which is a shadi appropriate look which you can carry at any pre-wedding function, especially in a haldi ceremony or a mehendi ceremony. For this look you can wear any heavy dupatta. This one is a fulkari dupatta which I absolutely love. I have paired this up with bright red colored leggings and these pom-pom chappals which are again colorful. I have completed this look by wearing these red and silver earrings, these colorful beads in my hair, this clutch which looks exactly the same as the dupatta, a red bright ring, and this kada which belongs to my mom. Look number 3 is a everyday look which is very comfortable because palazzos are so comfortable. So grab any palazzos from your wardrobe. I stole these from my mom's wardrobe and teamed it up with same colored dupatta. Since this is a blue and white look, I have also worn blue colored peep toes for this look. If you are wearing this for college, then you can remove this dupatta. I have completed this look with blue colored earrings, kada, ring, and a bindi. This one is a perfect fashion blogger look in which you can wear a dupatta with a belt. I have worn this extremely beautiful ajrak printed dupatta which again belongs to my mom, with black leggings, these high heels, and a black clutch which makes this look really smart and fashionable. I have completed this whole look with these silver stud earrings, a black bracelet, a statement ring, and a bindi. Next, I have this bright pink and white look for you all. For this look, you can pair any bright colored dupatta with same colored leggings. My dupatta is Alia Bhatt dupatta that she wore in Humpty Sharma Ki Dulhania. Leggings are printed, and since this is a pink look, I am wearing pink bellies and a pink clutch too. I have completed this whole look by adding these extremely gorgeous pink jhumkas and a bindi. This one is a wedding guest look in which you can wear any simple wedding lehenga or a long skirt with white kurti. This one is a foil printed golden skirt which my mom wore at one of my cousin's engagement with a pink kurti. So I am reusing this golden skirt. I am wearing a golden Banarsi dupatta with this look and carrying this golden clutch too. Since this is a really simple look, I am also wearing this tika and necklace to give it a more heavy look, this beautiful clutch and kadas and a golden ring. This one is a Sara Ali Khan inspired all-white look which she carries so effortlessly. I have seen her in this all-white look so many times. I'm wearing this white pants and this plain white dupatta for this look. fun fact, my kurti is also from the same shop from where Sara Ali Khan shops most of her chikankari kurtis from. I'm also wearing these kolhapuris. This is such a simple yet elegant look, and now I'm waiting for paparazzis to click me. Sara Ali Khan mostly completes her look with a bindi and some silver jewelry, so I'm also wearing huge earrings, these bangles, a ring and a bindi for this look. अब भाई वो तो सारा अली खान है, but this all white look can be a little scandalous, so you can replace this white dupatta with some other colored dupatta. Mine is this beautiful aqua greenish colored Banarsi dupatta. I have kept everything else for this look same, but if you want you can change the jewelry and footwear too. Moving to look number 9, which is a really casual and a everyday look. I have paired up my kurti with denims, beige colored heels. I have also added matching knot hairband and a crossbody bag to give this look more fun vibes. I have completed this look with these pearl hoops and a watch. And finally we are at look number 10, which is again a very casual and a college appropriate look. In this look I have added this scarf to give it a more casual and a cool look. I have folded my denims, they are just the same as in the previous look. I have also added sneakers and this huge bag to give a pop of color. I have completed this look with huge hoops and a watch. That's it for today's video guys. Do tell me in the comment section which was the look that you liked the most, and if you recreate any of them, do share the picture with me on my Instagram. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and also follow me on my Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Till then, bye bye. Take care.